Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav launched the Voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar and taking a stand against the ongoing SIR ahead of this year's assembly elections. Now what is being said that top leaders from the NDA alliance are also set to participate and join the Yatra. First up would be the Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who would be participating in the Voter Adhikar Yatra on the 26th and the 27th of this month. Thereafter, when it comes to Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin would be participating, followed by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on the 29th of August. Then Samajwadi Party Chief and former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav would be participating in the Yatra by the end of this month. Next month would be September. That would be the participation that would be witness of Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren, Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, who are also expected to join the Yatra. Let's go back to Tejasvi on this. Tejasvi, as far as the Yatra, the details that have been put out by K.C. Venugopal, this actually gives, when it comes to a show of strength that has now been put across to this 16-day Yatra that will be culminating soon in Bihar.
Well, absolutely. The opposition, the India bloc leaders who are holding the Vote Adhikar Yatra in the state of Bihar, they consider that this yatra is leaving a huge impact on the voters of Bihar, on the people of Bihar, and that they are trying to convince that how the vote chori is taking place in the state of Bihar, number one. Number two, by this yatra, they also want to show that the India bloc leaders, the allies, they are all together, because time and again we have been seeing that how during several, say it be the assembly elections in other states, or in fact during Lok Sabha elections as well, there were statements given that were contradictory and not in the parallel lines so as to what the India bloc believes in. But now in fact that's a message and the show of strength that they want to give. Number three, they also in fact want to state that the election that had happened in the past in the, say it be the Karnataka, say it be the elections in Karnataka as well, however where the Congress party had won, but some constituencies there, and the Maharashtra assembly elections and the Lok Sabha elections as well, there was vote chori, and they are expecting the same vote chori in the state of Bihar as well. So to galvanize all these people and in fact to send a message, this yatra is being carried out, and that's why now M.K. Stalin, Akhilesh Yadav, as announced by K.C. Venugopal, the Congress leader, all these leaders will be joining this yatra in the state of Bihar. And we have been seeing that how Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav have been making scathing remarks on the election commission and questioning the entire electoral process, and also in fact talking about how in the particular districts as well the name of the people and voters have been added. So far Rahul Gandhi has not submitted any kind of affidavit, and however not just the BJP but the Jan Swaraj Party chief also Prashant Kishore, he has also in fact stated multiple times that this yatra will not be leaving any impact on the voters of Bihar, because all what matters is the work that is being done on the ground. But you see, as far as this entire yatra is concerned, Amita, this definitely has created some buzz in the state and in fact in the country as well, because that is why in fact you see Election Commission had to hold a press conference where they in fact answered several questions and in fact denied all the allegations that were leveled up against him, and have also asked Rahul Gandhi to submit an affidavit multiple times and also asked him to apologize. Indirectly they also in fact made mention about the statements being made by the political leaders, say it be Rahul Gandhi or Akhilesh Yadav as well, and refuted all the allegations, saying that Election Commission stands strongly like a rock with its voters. Back to you.
All right. Now, this is now coming across as far as this big development in the state of Bihar is concerned. A show of strength that would soon be visible when it comes to multiple leaders from the opposition bloc that soon would be joining the Voter Adhikar Yatra. The vote chori narrative is something that the opposition seems to be pitching as its pole plank. But over when it comes to controversies and when it comes to statements that are often being said, when it comes to elections that are near, here is Tejasvi Yadav, who seems to be taking a jab at the Prime Minister, pointing out to the FIRs that have been recently filed in 2 NDA-ruled states. He, however, remains defiant, says he's not afraid.
और मोदी जी, आपने तेजस्वी पर FIR करवाया। किस बात पे FIR हुआ? एक यूपी में FIR हुआ, एक FIR महाराष्ट्र में हुआ। जहां इनकी सरकार है वहां तेजस्वी पर FIR किया इन लोगों ने। आप बताओ क्या कारण था? कारण यही था कि मोदी जी को तेजस्वी ने बोला कि ये जुमले की बाजार यानी जुमलों की बारिश करने बिहार आ रहे हैं। जुमले का दुकान बोल दिया, जो कि सच है कि नहीं है। हम पे अगर एफआईआर हुआ है तो हम लोग डरने वाले नहीं।
Now, when we speak of the Congress, however, that has now come out in the defense of Rahul and Tejasvi, saying that the Yatra goes against the EC and is actually meant to raise awareness that the people will now be taking to the streets to protect Samvidhan, to protect democracy, with the vote chori narrative that has been building up not just against the Election Commission, the poll body, but also against the BJP.
बिहार में जो चल रही है पूरे देश की जनता को जागृत करने के लिए, और जिस प्रकार के संवैधानिक संस्था हमारा चुनाव आयोग पूर्ण पक्षपाती रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक अग्रिम संगठन के रूप में जो कार्य कर रहा है, उसके विरोध में और ये यात्रा निकली है। जिस प्रकार से लोकतंत्र में संविधान का सम्मान करते हुए जिन संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को जिम्मेदारी दी गई है कि लोगों के विश्वास को, लोगों के मतों को सही रूप में सरकार चुनने का मौका दिया जाए, लेकिन इस प्रकार की चोरी करते हुए जहां जहां भी सरकार इन लोगों ने बनाई है और जहां गैर भाजपाई सरकार है, उन सरकारों को भी गिराने के लिए, उन्हें उन सरकार की चोरी करने के लिए, डाका डालने के लिए इस प्रकार के ये विधेयक भी जो लाए हुए हैं, ये बहुत ही डरावने और मुझे लगता है कि गैर संवैधानिक है।
Well, when we speak of the other leaders coming in from the BJP, let's also talk about the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who also seems to be taking a swipe at both Rahul and Tejasvi Yadav, the duo, saying that their brains rather may have also been stolen. This is now from the vote chori narrative seems to be building down to dimag chori.
रोज म्हणतात वोट चोरी, वोट चोरी, वोट चोरी, यांचं डोकं चोरी झालेलं आहे, त्यातला दिमाग चोरी झालेला आहे। माझी विनंती आहे माझ्या सगळ्या लाडक्या बहिणींना 25% यांच्याही करता आशीर्वाद मागा की यांना सुबुद्धी येवो, यांच्या डोक्यामध्ये थोडी अक्कल येवो, कारण खऱ्या अर्थानं आमच्या लाडक्या बहिणींच्या मताला हे जर चोरी म्हणत असतील तर यांच्यापेक्षा मोठे चोर कोण आहेत?
All right, we'll get you more on that as far as when it comes to the political face-off that has been intensifying just ahead of the elections. In the meantime, we head into a short break.